Hello all, welcome to Your Schemes. I'm Ilakya. I hope you're all doing well. Are you a person who is looking for banks with highest fixed deposit interest rates? Then this video is for you. We are going to see two banks that is offering interest rate up to 9.6%, which is the highest interest rate compared to EPF, PPF and other schemes. We bring to you latest bank news and investment related videos. So please make sure to subscribe to Your Scheme and hit the bell icon. There are two banks that is offering highest interest rate. The first one is Unity Small Finance Bank and the second one is Suryoday Small Finance Bank. You may now wonder whether these banks are safe. Let me tell you that deposits up to 5 lakh in Small Finance Bank are safe because it is covered under Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation DICGC, which is a subsidiary of RBI. Let's start with Unity Small Finance Bank. This bank for a tenure of 7 days to 10 years is offering 4.5 to 9% to regular customers, and for senior citizens it is offering between 4.5 to 9.5%. The highest interest rate 9% to regular customers and 9.5% to senior citizen is for a tenure of 1001 day. These rates are effective 14th June 2023. Let's now see some other features of this bank. The minimum investment amount should be 1000 rupees. The interest payout frequency will be monthly, quarterly and on maturity. This bank provides overdraft facility against your FD. 1% penalty for premature withdrawal. What are the documents required to open an FD with this bank? PAN card, proof of address that can be Aadhaar, gas bill, electric bill, and initial payment check with a passport size photo. And how do you open an account? You can call the bank's customer care service number, that is 180020911122, or you can send an email to care@unitybank.co.in or visit the nearest branch of Unity Small Finance Bank. Before we check the details of Suryoday Small Finance Bank, if you want to compare the fixed deposit interest rate of all the small finance bank in India, you can watch this video on your screen. I will be providing the link in the description box below. Let's move on to Suryoday Small Finance Bank. This bank for a tenure of 7 days to 10 years, general customers will get 4% to 9.1%, whereas senior citizens can get up to 4.5% to 9.6%. The highest interest rate offered to general, that is 9.1, and for senior citizen, that is 9.6%, is for a tenure of 5 years. These rates are effective July 5, 2023. Let's see some of the features from this bank. There will be no penalty charges for premature withdrawal of only cumulative fixed deposit, and that too for a period of 1 year. To book your FD with Suryoday, please go to their official website, that is suryodaybank.com. You will see an option to apply now. Click on that and then fill the required information. You may receive a call or SMS for further process. For more similar videos, please subscribe to Your Scheme. If you feel this information was helpful, then please hit the like button. It means a lot. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.